To set photo as a wallpaper on OnePlus Nord CE5, all you have to do is just to start by opening Settings, next go to the Wallpapers and Styles and go into Wallpapers. Over here select Album. Now you will be redirected to your photos, so accept those permissions. And now pick the photo that you want to set as your wallpaper. Select Items in the right upper corner, and as you can see over here you can also make some changes. So I want to apply like this part of the photo on my wallpaper. You have to click Apply To and now select where you want to apply it. In my case I would like to apply this on my lock screen, so I'm gonna select lock screen. And over here we can also set some effects, some styles. You can also still pinch to crop, as you can see. There we go. And let's click apply in the right upper corner. And after a few seconds, the process is finished. Take a look. Now when I'm gonna block my phone, the wallpaper has changed.